Welcome to a brief tour of the beta version of the Franchise Insights app, now available in the iOS and Android app stores. Franchise Insights was developed to help our clients increase contact rates and improve engagement with prospective franchisees. This brief tutorial will walk you through the key features and functionality of the app. After the initial login, you'll be routed to the home screen. Here you will have the option to view your prospects from all three sources or choose a particular source. After you choose your provider, you will arrive at your dashboard, which highlights the total number of prospects you received in the current month. There are several actions you can take on this screen. You can drill down into the prospect list by clicking on prospects in the bottom left of the page, or on the big circle that contains your prospect count. You'll also be presented with the option to change your prospect source by clicking Change Provider in the bottom right of the screen. At the top of the screen, there are 4 icons. On the left, there are 2 icons, Activity and Notifications. By clicking the clock-shaped icon, you get a quick overview of all recent activity. By clicking the bell icon, you get a quick overview of all your notifications. On the right, there are 2 icons, Help and Settings. The Help icon offers a brief refresher on how to utilize this app. The icon furthest to the right, Settings, offers several account management tools, including the ability to request lead cap changes and states from which you are accepting leads. For clients with multiple brands, you will see at the very bottom of the page the ability to switch between brands. Let's go to the prospect screen. Here you're able to view all your prospects and sort or filter them based on the criteria you select. If you slide a prospect to the right, you can text, call, or email that prospect. The text option starts a two-way conversation conveniently within the app. By sliding a prospect to the left, you have the option to archive or unarchive the prospect. Archiving will just take the prospect out of the current view. To filter your prospects, click on the funnel-shaped icon toward the top right of the page, and subsequently you'll have the option of filtering by status, date range, and state. If for whatever reason you want to restore the prospect to the current view, simply filter by Archive Prospects and unarchive any prospects you want restored. If you are viewing prospects from more than one lead source, then you will also have the option to filter by provider. To sort your prospects, click on the icon with the up and down arrows. You'll have the option of sorting by name, newest oldest prospect, and most recent activity. You will notice that under each prospect, there are a series of icons. These icons represent the validation checks performed by your lead provider on each prospect. Click on the eye icon in the top right for a brief description of the validation checks. Let's look at a specific prospect. Click on the name you'd like to view, and you'll find detailed prospect information, including a preferred contact method. You'll also see the prospect's contact information, investment capacity, and the state in which the prospect is interested in franchising. On the bottom half of the screen, you'll see a history of all activity with the prospect, and you can also make notes for future reference. On this screen, you can also call, text, or email the prospect by clicking on the corresponding icon. For example, here's what happens when you click on the text message icon. We highly recommend that you make sure notifications are enabled under Settings, so that when you receive a new lead or a prospect responds to one of your communications, you're able to engage promptly. We will continue to add features which we hope will improve contact rates and make the work of connecting with prospects more productive. We built the Franchise Insights app with one overarching goal in mind: to make it easier for you to engage with prospects quickly.